Are you shocked by what lives deep in the ocean? Some fish can actually create electricity. Let's dive in and meet the electric ray. Electric rays look like pancakes with fins, but don't be fooled. They can send out powerful electric shocks, up to 220 volts. That's almost as much as a wall socket. These rays use electricity to hunt. When a small fish gets too close, zap, it's stunned and ready for lunch. But that's not all. Electric rays also use their power to scare off bigger enemies. There are over 60 kinds of electric rays. Some are tiny, while others grow as big as a table. So next time you're wondering about cool ocean creatures, remember, electric rays are the real live wires of the sea. Stay curious and keep exploring. For more intriguing animal facts, please hit like and subscribe.